Yeah, Bigfoot setting up the pop-up, y'all. Go, Nene, go. Hybrid, check it out. Here, go.
Colors.
Hold the camera on the fish.
What's that?
No, get over here.
A catfish, yep.
Catfish, yeah.
Perfect. So she caught it with the, like, you can see her small holes right here. This is what she caught the catfish on.
Yes.
Playing warm and everything. JR TV. My little sister, she's going to turn 4, caught a miniature catfish.
Yes.
Look at.
On the LOL pole.
Yeah. And she is doing really good at this fishing. I caught a catfish like that, but a little bigger.
Yeah, and it was like all gray. This one is different colors.
This one's
There's all different kinds of catfish.
Let it go for you, okay?
Okay. You guys want to release it? Say bye, catfish. Okay, Sissy will help you, Jem.
Some of my fish can't fish you right now. I just put them in the
Hey! Oh, you got your worm. Dang. Black bullhead. No, we didn't catch that one yet. We caught a lot of these. Sunfish. Oh, then we caught some of these. Crappies. I think we caught some of these too. Yep, and we heard these, right? Stuck in the seaweed. See what you got, Gemma. Let's see. Hey, little guy. Got it, Gem. Which one does it look like?
Yeah.
Or maybe this one?
Yeah.
Yep, that's a match. Okay, you gonna release them? There's a toad, and then we got a frog.
We got
Mama fish.